speed of a vehicle approaching a junction is measured. The speed is sent as a data to opposite and adjacent sides of a road via streetlights. A vehicle coming the other way receives this data from streetlight and alerts the driver about an oncoming vehicle and its speed. The vehicle turns in the junction. The turn indicators in the vehicle transmit data to the photo receivers just before junction. The turn indication data is used to appropriately alert the drivers coming the other way by sending the data to other side streetlights. After receiving this data, the vehicle alerts the driver and simultaneously the vehicle's microcontroller takes appropriate action.